Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 4, 10:40 America New York, Peter Thiel-Backed Vauld suspends withdrawals. The crypto lender backed by Coinbase and Peter Thiel is exploring a possible restructuring after becoming the latest cryptocurrency platform to freeze services.
Daily FX Market News.
July 4, 10:30 America New York, DAX, Dow and FTSE edge higher as markets find composure. Global stocks post marginal gains amid dip buying interest.
Marginal revolution.
July 4, 10:26 America New York, Monday assorted links. 1. Revisions to views about the patriarchy. 2. Ongoing failures in monkeypox response. 3. What happened when the rich stopped intermarrying, speculative. 4. If you scroll through you will see talk of a possible Magnus versus.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 4, 10:02 America New York, for Reliance, Russian oil has supercharged profits. An increase in imports from Russia will help the energy wing at Reliance Industries continue to notch record refining margins, despite a new windfall tax on Indian fuel exports.
Daily FX Market News.
July 4, 10 o'clock America New York. GBP, AUD may unwind losses as BO, RBA implied rate paths come together. Top trading opportunities. The British pound suffered heavy losses through the first quarter of 2022. GBP, AUD dropped more than 10% from its January peak before hitting multi-year lows in April.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 4, 9:04 America New York, Ukraine war hits Germany with first trade deficit in over 3 decades. The fallout from Russia's war in Ukraine sent Germany's import bill for energy sharply higher, but its deficit with China also widened.
Daily FX Market News.
July 4, 9 o'clock America New York, GBP, USD Outlook. Sterling cements key technical level ahead of FOMC. The pound has remained suppressed but appears to have created a floor at 1.2000. NFP and FOMC minutes to provide the main source of volatility this week.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 4, 9 o'clock America New York. Little-known abortion pill maker faces scrutiny. The debate over medication abortions draws in the lone U.S. manufacturer of brand name mifepristone.
Digital finance.
July 4, 8:23 America New York. Banks moving from RegTech awareness to adoption. Compliance heads at Citi, DBS and others are on the hunt for RegTech solutions, but barriers remain. The Postbanks moving from RegTech awareness to adoption appeared first on digital finance.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
July 4, 8:19 America New York, the positive externalities of the American Revolution. I used to line up an article every month for EconLib, from 2008 to 2019. My favorite was one by Jeff Hummel in 2018. It's titled, Benefits of the American Revolution, an exploration of positive externalities.
Global economy.
July 4, 8:08 America New York, Germany records first monthly trade deficit since 1991 as import costs soar. Lower demand for exports also contributes to €1 billion negative trading balance for May.
Global economy.
July 4, 7:31 America New York, Global Carbon Club, that dare not talk of tariffs. The, so far fruitless, debate over carbon border measures is taking place privately between the EU and the US.
BBC News. Business.
July 4, 7:19 America New York, Rolls-Royce. 6 sites shortlisted for nuclear reactor factory. The plant will help build 16 small modular reactors planned for construction over the next 25 years.
BBC News Business.
July 4, 7:19 America New York, Rolls-Royce. 6 sites shortlisted for nuclear reactor factory. The plant will help build 16 small modular reactors planned for construction over the next 25 years.
BBC News. Business.
July 4, 7:14 America New York, EasyJet Chief Operating Officer resigns. The move comes after the airline has been criticized for flight cancellations and disruption to schedules.
BBC News Business. July 4, 7:14 America New York, EasyJet Chief Operating Officer resigns. The move comes after the airline has been criticized for flight cancellations and disruption to schedules.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 4, 7:03 America New York. Chip boom loses steam on slowing PC sales, crypto rout. Intel and Nvidia are among the semiconductor makers warning of rockier times ahead after 2 years of surging demand across their product lineups, pointing to a chillier consumer climate.
Global economy.
July 4, 6:42 America New York. Fuel price protests hit UK motorway network. Delays on M4, M5 and M180 as demonstrators organize. Slow-moving rolling roadblocks via social media.
BBC News Business.
July 4, 6:28 America New York. Kellogg's loses court case over sugary cereal supermarket offers. It means products such as crunchy nut cornflakes will not be allowed in end-of-aisle promotions.
BBC News Business.
July 4, 6:28 America New York. Kellogg's loses court case over sugary cereal supermarket offers. It means products such as crunchy nut cornflakes will not be allowed in end-of-aisle promotions.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 4, 5:30 America New York. The few mutual fund managers who avoided the debacle. Winner's Circle. In a painful 12 months for mutual funds, only a handful of stock fund managers managed to scratch out a positive return, while most succumbed to losses. Marginal Revolution.
July 4, 0:45 America New York. What exactly is the problem these days? In my latest Bloomberg column I tried to express the model in as few dimensions as possible. Here is an excerpt. I am increasingly worried that human success and failure are ruled by taste, the demand side, in economic terms.
Armstrong Economics.
July 4, 0:04 America New York. Happy 4th of July. We thank those who continue to promote and fight for freedom. Despite the current president saying our constitutional rights are not absolute, the Founding Fathers ensured on July 4, 1776, that the American people would remain free.